Okay, Model 3 owners with the 18-inch Aero wheels. If you hate these hubcaps because they're so ugly, we're going to show you a new solution from RPM Tesla. Now these are our spoke style sport 18-inch Aero cap hubcaps or inserts, whatever you want to call them. They fit right over the spokes, so you still can see the calipers as beautiful as they are, maybe with our caliper covers. But notice all of the connection points. Nothing is metal, nothing is going to scratch your wheel. They're simple to install, easy to remove when you need to rotate your tires or take it in for service or get new tires, and you're not going to break off the tabs like some of the imported versions. So let's take a look at what we got. We've got a black car, we got glossy black, and we got satin black. So we're going to put the glossy one on because it really brings out the paint, and of course the satin would bring out all the trim. But look at how easy these are to install and to remove. We're going to show you right now in real time. Just line it up and snap it on. Fits on and off almost as easy as the regular Aero wheels. And again, these are our spoke patterns, so we're not swirling them, we're not doing any of the turbine look. This is to show the calipers and to show how beautiful the wheels are. Again, they're in stock, satin or glossy black, it's your choice. We also give you a choice of free Tesla logo tees. So we're going to put white ones on, satin black, or if you have red calipers, we'll give you a free red tees as well. Okay, now we're going to give you an orange tool which you might use to help remove the hubcap if you ever want to rotate your tires to get to the lug nuts, or you want to buy new tires. Again, a lot of the real brittle plastic ones and the metal clips break off, but not on ours. So before you try this, we recommend, right here are the clips. Just reach behind one of the spokes and spread the clip apart. That'll loosen this one. Then just keep it pushed out, and we'll move on to the next one. And now we got it. So now you just continue to pull it all off. And again, look, no damage to any of the 10 clips or 20 clips on the inside. They're beautiful. Glossy black or satin black, your choice. Easy on and off. And again, no worrying about changing tires. A lot of people have complained about having to take them off and then they crack. So again, we give you a lifetime warranty here at RPM. If I can get this thing lined up. And they're in stock with same-day shipping. And just pop them right in, wax them up. And again, the glossy black is really beautiful on a black car. Satin black matches the rest, obviously. It's your choice. Thanks again, RPM Tesla.